Looking for the perfect travel companion that combines style, durability and functionality? Meet the American Tourister 56-liter duffel bag with wheels. Crafted from tough and reliable 600D polyester, this duffel bag is built to withstand the wear and tear of travel wherever life takes you. It has spacious 56-liter capacity. It's the ideal size to pack everything you need. Two smooth rolling wheels glide effortlessly through airports, streets and hotel lobbies. Designed for unisex use, this bag features a sleek, stylish red exterior, perfect for making a bold statement on the move. Includes a single grab handle for vertical lifting. And for even more convenience on the move, this duffel is equipped with a two-stage telescopic handle. The adjustable handle lets you choose between two height settings. American Tourister branding is written on the telescopic handle, you can see here, and retract the handle when you are done. This duffel bag contains a quick access front pocket. Store your essentials like a towel, t-shirt or traveling documents on the go. It is the detachable, adjustable shoulder strap for customizable comfort for carrying. The duffel bag has one large main compartment with a wide U-shaped opening for hassle-free packing. Measuring 33 by 32 by 57 cm, this compact yet roomy duffel is an excellent substitute for a carry-on suitcase. Now let's see the interior. Now let's see the internal structure of the telescopic handle. And you can keep your dirty garments or the used garment in this compartment by opening this zip. This duffel bag includes a twin grab handles for easy lifting. This is a sticker from the American Tourister. Backside of it there is a MRP is written, but I have got the product only at 1200 rupees. Check link in the description for current pricing. Now let's see the twin grab handle for easy lifting. You can see here. And this is the detachable adjustable shoulder strap for customizable comfort. If you want to carry the duffel bag by your shoulder, then you can use the strap in this way. American Tourister is known for its quality and attention to detail, trusted by travelers in over 100 countries. So why wait? Travel smart, travel in style. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more travel reviews. Thank you.